Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make this super easy right angle weave bracelet. I'm showing step by step, so I'm sure by the end of this tutorial you're gonna be able to make it by yourself, and it is like a beginner's project. That is why don't hesitate to do this. If you want to support me, remember to like, share and comment, and this is a great help indeed. And if you like what I'm showing here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button, and in this way you will know when I make new projects and when I make matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done. Like I have similar earrings to this bracelet, and I'll link them here at the eye icon to see. And down there in description you will find a short clip of this tutorial, which is only 2 or 3 minutes. That is on my second channel, BijuTeo Fast Clips. If you like the idea, subscribe also for this channel. You could also find there useful links where to buy supplies from, all the supplies that I use for this project, link to my store, link for PayPal donations to develop this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, and what I'm using here for this video are really simple stuff. I'm using 11/0 seed beads in chameleon color, 8/0 beads in silver color. Here I use lobster's claw clasp, and you could use any type of clasp you like. This is jump ring, this is nylon thread size D, which means the thickness is 0.2 millimeters. And here I use size 10 beading needle, scissors and pliers. And the pliers are not obligatory, but I use them if I need to go through the difficult beads. And now I'm going to take an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm back, and I'm going to start my work by picking up 4 of these beautiful silver beads. Okay, 4 of them, and I'm going to slide those down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is make a knot. Okay, and I'm making here a loop, and I'm going with my tail thread twice through the loop I made, and I pull, and then I'm going to make one more knot just to be sure that everything is nice, tight and secure. Okay, then what I do is that I go through the following silver. Okay, now I have my first angle weave of my work, and I'm going to take 1 chameleon bead, and I will go through the first silver here, then 1 more chameleon, and I'm going through the second silver. Okay, and I will repeat this 2 more times. Okay, going through this one and then through the following. Then guys, what I do in my next step is go through this chameleon bead here, and as I'm exiting here, what I want to take are 4 of these beautiful silver beads again, and I'm going back in circle through this chameleon bead. Okay, now this is what I have, and what I do next is that I go through the following silver, take just 1 chameleon, go here in the following silver, 1 more, and I repeat what I did in my previous element. 4 silver beads in a cross. Okay, now I'm going to pull, surrounded by 4 chameleon beads of the smaller size. Now I'm exiting out of this silver bead, and I went directly from this silver to this one, skipping the one in the middle. Okay, now guys, I'm here and I'm exiting of this silver, and what I want to take next are 2 silver beads, and what I want to do is go through these 2 other silver beads, and again I'm making a cross of 4 silvers, but I'm adding 2 because I'm using these 2 uh, like from my previous elements to make this cross. And now I take one more of these beautiful chameleon beads. Okay, now what I want to do is reinforce here my work, and as you go here back, you could also go through this chameleon just to make it stay here next to your silver. Okay, now you see where I'm exiting. I'm exiting here at the other side, and again I want to make a cross of 4 silvers, but since I have 2 silvers here, I'm taking only 2. And when I go through those 2, what I have here is a silver cross. And again, like I did before, I will go one more time in circle around my beads. This time I will go through the chameleon once. And what I want to do next is exit through one of these chameleons at the edge. And here what I want to do is attach my clasp. And how I attach it, I take one chameleon, my clasp, and then one more chameleon bead, okay? And I go back in circle here. Now guys, I want to reinforce this part. Okay, and I have the first element of my bracelet attached here. Okay, and what I want to do in my next step is go through this chameleon here and add 3 chameleons. Go back here like that. Here I also want to add 3 chameleons. Go here like this. 3 more. Three again. Okay guys, now I have this, and now I want to go here at the edge, make additional thread path and make my beads stay in a better shape. This is not obligatory, but since I'm using soft thread, I prefer to make this step. Okay, and I'll go around like this, and when I'm up to here, I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay, and I went around through all of my beads, and now I'm exiting here at the edge, and here what I want to take are the same sequence of beads, 4 beads, go back in circle through this one, and again add those beautiful chameleon beads. Here at my last step I skip this one here to make the inner circle between my silvers stronger, tighter I mean, to make them stay next to each other, closer next to each other. Okay, and now I need 4 silvers. Okay guys, now I have this, and like I did before, I'm going to do an additional thread path around the edges of my work. I'm going here like this, through the silver, and at the edge through the chameleon beads. Okay, and I will do this until I feel my work is really nice and tight, and when I'm up to here I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and when I reinforce this part, I'm back here at this step, and now I'm ready to start my next element. Okay, and I'm starting it the familiar way. Take 4. Now add those chameleon beads here. Okay, just like this. And now continue guys, make one more element like this, then one here, the surrounding beads around the edges. If you forgot how I'm doing this, just rewind the video and see this step from here on, and you will be able to make the whole bracelet. At some point your thread will be over, and I have a lot of tutorials where I show how to add more thread. If you want to know how to add more thread, write me in the comments and I'll give you a link to where I'm showing it. Okay, thank you for now for watching, and I will continue and I will be back to tell you how to finish your bracelet. Okay guys, and when I continue beading, this is what I have. Here I have 9 elements that I did and I connected the same way I showed you before. And now I'm here exiting out of the edge, and it's time to add my jump ring. And what I do is that I take 2 seed beads, my jump ring, and then again 2 more seed beads, and I'm going back here in circle through this bead at the edge. And now I'm going to reinforce it. Okay, and now I'm here guys, and I want to make my final knot, cut it, and my bracelet will be ready. Okay, and how I do this, I make a loop here between those 2 beads, and I go once, then I go second time through this loop I've made, and then I pull, and after that I go through my following seed bead, and you could repeat this knot several more times, and when you're ready, cut your thread and your bracelet will be ready. Okay guys, and now my right angle weave beaded bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button if you still haven't, and in this way you won't miss a thing and you won't miss matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and you will be able to make beautiful sets for presents or for yourself. If you want to save time and see this video in just 2-3 minutes as a whole picture, you could find link to short clip in description, which is on my second channel, BijuTeo Fast Clips, and you might decide to subscribe there also for a new inspiration. And down there in description you will find the full list of materials, links where you could buy supplies from, link to my store, and link for PayPal donations to develop this channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and in this way you help me so much.